Alright, so Grant and I have been road tripping up to Road Atlanta for Gridlife ATL special stage Formula Drifts. We're at Bucees. It is a downpour. I don't know if we have someone here who's also going there or not. We haven't met them yet, but just got some gas, got a barbecue sandwich for the drive, and yeah, been a good trip so far. So we're gonna go tech the car, and Grant doesn't know how to drive his car. He's having a lot of trouble. This is not a good sign. There we go. Tell me more about you don't know how to drive your car.
Just pull out in front of me.
Hey! There he is. Sleepy Grant.
Right.
Awake at last.
Rosberg is second in the points. Bailey is fourth. Maroney fifth.
Yeah.
You can see the beautiful Ego fan
Yeah, you can feel nice.
cooling down the car.
So how did the session feel?
It felt good. We were a little... Oh, boy. Yeah, but the session felt good. We were a little worried after the last session. We saw some dirt in the reservoir, what we thought was oil, but we drained some of it, and it ended up just being all the dust from CMP, we think.
Yeah,
We're going to check it again here in a minute. I just got back, so I can't open the reservoir yet.
What improved on this session from the last two?
Nothing really. I kind of got pretty much exactly the same time. The previous session I had no traffic, so I didn't really have any excuses the previous session. I did have a little bit of traffic this session. So I was 7 miles an hour slower going into 10A because of traffic, having to brake a little bit early. The guy in front of me in the BMW, John something, but looks like he was braking a little bit earlier than me, so I didn't want to dive bomb him.
Are you in the same run group as you were yesterday?
Yeah. So they do mixed run groups, so you kind of are with people in the same pace. So that has its pros and cons. You're with people that aren't going to be exorbitantly faster than you. But the other problem with that is you never really know who you're racing with if it's a big field. Today we don't have a ton of people compared to some other events, but it's a trade-off. I've done both types. Not sure which one I prefer.
Yeah. So the track requires commitment. Where are you nervous?
Definitely turn 12. I short shift going into turn 12, so that way I don't have to otherwise I would hit the top of third, right, coming down into turn 12. So I haven't tried that. I don't think I will, but I don't know. Beyond that,
You'd be going into fourth coming down the hill, or no?
Yeah, I short shift before, when I crest the hill, I shift into fourth, so a neutral position in the hill, and then go down. And talking to some other people, they said that's not a bad idea if you're not willing to really commit.
Yeah.
So.
What about turn 3 after the S's?
I'm not very good at that, that's for sure.
Are you taking the service road?
Well, I'm jumping the curb a little bit, but 1, 2, 3, and 4, I know I'm losing a ton of time. I don't know. With the car being so much faster, it's just, and having more front grip with the aero, I really need to just be brave and put my big boy pants on.
You have a lot more grip now.
Yeah, and it's just it has more grip, but it's also 100 pounds heavier, and and the brakes are the same, so you just have to be careful of blowing the brake zone and then going way off into the dirt.
Yeah.
So
I think just watching you going into turn 1, you definitely have more. The car has more in it.
Oh yeah.
The rear's not really rotating.
Yeah. I'll try it the next session if the car's still good. I think I'm only going to do one more. There's only an hour turnaround time between session 5 and 6, and I don't think I can cool the car down in time, even with it being cool enough out. What ends up happening is the transmission ends up getting too hot, and unless I should have brought my ramps to stick the fan underneath the car, but we're at a 30-degree incline in the pit here, so that would have been a little weird too.
Luckily the weather's a little cool today, but not too hot.
Yeah.
Might be able to cool it down in time.
It did look like it was going to rain, but I don't really run at Gingerman or something. I'll run this car in the rain, not here. I haven't spun the car in a while, so I don't know, but here is a little bit too nervous.
This is an odd track.
Gingerman's fun because it's just oh well, you go off and you have a mile runoff in the grass.
Yeah.
But you don't have much runoff here.
There's only a little runoff. And frankly, I was surprised the other Mustang I saw didn't go into the wall on turn 1 because they went flying off. All right, cool. Go harder.
Go faster, suck.